Maddy and Jimmy.
Hi guys, Maddy and Jimmy here, and welcome to another Lego hack video.
Woo! It's honestly my favourite part.
I know. Now before we kick off, I want to say a huge thanks to everyone who sent in photos and videos of all their awesome creations. You guys rock.
On today's video, we're looking at Lego Power Functions motors and how to use them with Technic.
Now when Jimmy and I were making Lego on the telly, we'd never used a motor or Lego Technic before.
But we soon fell in love with the stuff. I mean, it brings Lego to life, and we incorporated it into most of our builds.
Some of them worked, some of them didn't.
Oh boy. Now this is a Lego Power Functions battery box, and this is a medium motor. But don't be fooled by the name. It still turns a pin very fast. 380 rotations per minute fast.
Whoa, that's really fast.
Yeah, that's like Superman spinning around fast. And if you don't do something to slow this rotation down, well, let's show you what happens.
Luckily, Jimmy, I've prepared 2 crash test dummies in spaceships.
You ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Oh.
Let's see that again in slow motion. Don't worry, no minifigs were harmed in the making of this video.
So Jimmy and I were highly allergic to physics during high school.
Oh, I'm getting hives just thinking about it.
But one thing I do remember is the larger the gear, the longer it takes to rotate, and the smaller the gear, the faster it takes to rotate.
Go science! Well, with that in mind, we have created this contraption to give an example of a well-known technique called gearing down. And what that does is it slows the rotation of all the gears gradually, that will then create a much slower spinning spaceship contraption, and it won't send them flying to the outer reaches of the universe. So, as you can see, we've got our battery pack right here, and we've attached the medium motor through here. Now, what it is spinning right here is a small gear. It's then attached to a slightly larger gear, and then a gear of the same size, just for space reasons. Then we've got a much larger gear here. It doesn't stop there. What we've done is we've attached this large gear to a small gear again, and then that is attaching to another gear, and then another gear still, and then it's attaching to this final large gear here. Now, are these spacemen going to fly off into space? Well, with gearing up, it shouldn't. Here we go.
So pleasant.
That is a much more pleasant ride, and there you have it. Try it yourself and let us know how you go in the comments. This has been Maddy and Jimmy.
Lego hacks. Bye.
Do your good thing.